Hey there, silly bakers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making muffins. We are making high protein blueberry muffins. That's right. This recipe makes 6 muffins, but you can easily double the recipe. Each muffin contains approximately 13 grams of protein, but that will depend on the type of protein powder that you use. The sweetener in this recipe is customizable. You can use whatever you like. You can do monk fruit, you can do maple syrup, you can do cane sugar. Whatever you choose will work. But I will say, make sure that you use a protein powder, a vanilla protein powder that you love the flavor of, because that will definitely impact the overall flavor of the muffin. So this recipe is incredibly easy to make. It's a 1 bowl, beautiful thing. It'll come together in less than 10 minutes. It's in the oven 15 to 20 minutes, and it's a perfect on-the-go snack. They freeze beautifully. My husband loved them, which is surprising because he's not a big protein powder kind of guy, but he really enjoyed them. So I think you will too. So let's make high protein blueberry muffins.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you want to line a 6-cup muffin tin with silicone liners. I'm using our Silly Bake liners. I will leave a link in the description below, but you can use whatever liners you have. You want to grab a large bowl and you want to combine your sugar of choice and lemon zest. If you're using a liquid sugar, that's okay. You can add your maple syrup or honey and add your lemon zest and give it a good mix to release the oils from the zest. Then you want to add your eggs, your melted butter. I browned the butter for a little extra flavor. Then you want to add your Greek yogurt and vanilla. Give everything a good mix until everything is well incorporated. Add your vanilla protein powder. You can also use an unflavored protein powder. I would increase the vanilla extract by an extra teaspoon if you do use an unflavored protein powder. Either will work here. Give everything a good mix. Add your almond flour and baking powder, and again, you want to give everything a good mix. The good thing about using almond flour is that you can't overdevelop the gluten here. So give everything a mix until everything is well incorporated. Then you want to add half a tablespoon of almond flour to the blueberries, and you want to mix it through. This will prevent the blueberries from sinking. Gently fold the blueberries into the batter. Don't overmix here. Spoon the batter into the prepared muffin cups, filling them almost full. And then you want to top each muffin with 3 or 4 extra blueberries. And you want to push them in just a little bit. You want to bake until the toothpick inserted in one of the muffins comes out clean. It's approximately 17 to 19 minutes. Cool the muffins for 10 minutes directly on the rack before serving. As you can see, they are incredibly fluffy and delicious.
Thank you for watching, Silly Bakers. I can't wait to share another delicious recipe with you. If you do decide to try this recipe, make sure you let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy baking.